present tense, past tense, and future tense. And today I want to introduction to type of tense. Overview of tense. In English grammar, tenses indicate the time frame in which an action occurs. They are crucial for conveying when an event is happening or will happen. Significant in communication, understanding tense is essential for clear and effective communication. Using the correct tense ensure that your message is correctly understood. And tense have three types: present, past, and future. Each of these has simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous forms. Present tense and overview. Present tense usage. The present tense is used to describe action happening now, habitual action, and general truths. First, simple present tense. Present. Describe habits, general truth, and facts. 2. Present continuous. Describe action happening now or around now. 3. Present perfect. Describe action completed at an specific time in the past or action that started in the past and continued to the present. Present perfect continuous. Describe action that started in the past and are still ongoing. The first is simple present tense. The simple present tense express habits and general truths and facts. Formation. For most part, use the best form. For third person, singular, he, she, it, at s or s. Example: I eat breakfast every morning. She worked in a hospital. The sun rises in the east. Everyday situation. In everyday situation, describe routine. I go to school every day. Starting fact: water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense describes action happening now or around now. For the structure is subject, is are or we call to be, present particle, and example. I am studying for my exam. She is watching TV, they are playing football. And usage describing action happening at the moment of speaking. I'm talking to you right now. Describing the temporary situation. I'm living in London for a few months. In present perfect tense, the present perfect tense describes action completed at an expected time in the past or action that started in the past and continued to the present. For formation, have or has, past participle. Example: I have visited Paris. She has finished her homework. I have been with her for 10 years. Usage: describing experience. I have seen that movie before. Describing change over time. My English has improved since I started studying. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense expression action that begin in the past and continue to the present. For the structure is subject, have or has, been plus present particle, in plus ing for of the verb. Example: I have been studying for 3 hours. She has been working on this project since. They have been playing football all afternoon. Usage: emphasizing the duration of an action. I have been waiting for your age, showing the result of an ongoing action. I'm tired because I have been running. Past tense and overview. Overview. Past tense. The past tense is used to describe action that happened in the past. Simple tense is describing about complete that action in the past. Past continuous is describing ongoing action in the past. Past perfect describe about action completed before another action in the past. Simple past tense. The simple past tense describe completed action in the past. For formation, for regular verb, plug add to the base form. In irregular verb, different form. For example, go form to went. Example: I watched movie yesterday. She went to the store. They play football last weekend. Usage: Describing completed action. I finished my homework last night. Describing a series of completed action. I woke up, brushed my teeth, and ate breakfast. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is describe action that occur at a specific time in the past. For the structure, subject plus verb. Example: she walked to the store. Usage to indicate complicated action in the past to express a series of completed action. Okay, that is all for me. If I have mistake, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.